Welcome back. My name is Ivica Cartello. You are watching React School for the Totally Beginners single post page. Single post page. Link view in post list. We must create a view post, and this is single page, single post page. In app.js, create a root, component single post. Root is post and would be ID of that post. Look at here. When we click, it is post 1, post 2. Here it is. And in list, a post list, import link, and create a view post. Here it is. And a link is that. It is React element link. And we have that link is here. Now create a single post page. Single post page. Use the selector post author. We need post author because we need this part of the when we know author, link is here, view post. And look at, we have this on single post page. Because of that, we need that post author in single post page. Export constant single post page, match in curly brackets. It is object what take part of the web address, parameters from web address. It means this part of, for example, this part, it is see that now parameter is the variable equal arrow function. Parameter of arrow function is match. It means it will take parameters, and in body of arrow function we declare variable, concretely post ID. It is concretely in curly brackets because in app.js we give name post ID, back to app, back to single page. Because of that, this is post ID equal match params. It is params is object of match, object match. There is object params or properties params, and in that properties params we have 1, 2, or random parameter, random string. And post ID, value of variable post ID is 1, 2, depends about params in address, in web address. And now we know parameter, we know ID of our post. And with that, we from use selector is hook. That hook have contact have contact with the state, and state dot posts. Inside state we have array posts, and every array there is a method find and that method, there is in parameter of that method, we have parameter post, we have arrow function, parameter of arrow function is post, equal post.id, equal post ID, equal this one from address. And now in post we have a complete one post, concretely post with all members. It is array with all members in that array, title, etc. And after that we can return, we can have our visible part of this page, and it is post in H2 HTML. We have post title, element, React element post author with user ID post user, equal post user, and in element in component post author, we have properties props, concretely number, and with that number we find in component post author, we find users and write his name. It is post author. We find user and with user ID, and with that user ID we display name. Back to single post page. After that we have content. Look at here, title, author, content. Look at here, title, author, content. It is single page. Only with use selector. There is no contact with the page, but use selector. It is a Redux connection with React. We look at post list. In post list we have link view. We have single post page. App.js we have root, and we have link to post that we can return our home page in this situation. And again, click view post back. We always have here post. That we can create root, we must import single post here in app.js, and after that we can create root here. It's all. Thank you for watching this video.